Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Time check. 4:12. Good morning everyone. Today is April 28th, Monday. And maayong buntag sa tanan. And then the weather for today is 11. Pero malamig pa rin everyone. Yeah. Kasi umaga pa dito. Daling araw pa. Kung sa Pilipinas. Ayun lang everyone. At see you later after 15 minutes walk and one bus everyone. Ayan. Bye and see you later. See you when I see you. Kain tayo everyone. Good morning. Baka nanlalambot ka pa. Lalambot pa yan. Ayan everyone. We are here already at the ayan, good morning everyone. Going to Westminster. Oh, heavy. Okay, this is it. Not busy area. This area Westminster going to Jubilee Line. That 4. Ayan, dumating na ang train. Kaya busy na ang mga tao. Already here. Time check 9:40 at the Jubilee Line. Nearly in my case. Ayan lang everyone. See you again later after the nap time and lunch time. PT time, BPT time. BP time 106/66.
Anong baby niya?
106/66. Mababa, no? Ayan, time check is 1:02 everyone. Ayan, nag-ano ko, nagtetest. Exam required sa work everyone.
Reporting Sharp's injuries will ensure you
Yun
are
lang
able to
kailangan
receive
maipasa
appropriate
lahat.
treatment.
Yun lang
The infection does not
everyone.
others. If you have been infected and your
Busy
employer is able to
while
give the
done
situation the
my
proper
laundry.
attention. This
The
includes
blocks.
examining what happened and reducing the risk.
Time check everyone. Yan. 3:05. Ngayong araw ng Lunes. Pasok ulit tayo. Pasok lang pag may time. And see you after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Ayan lang everyone. Nag-exam ako. Grabe. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Ilan lang ang isa pa lang na ipasa ko. Ay, 2. 3 na pala. Oh, Ayun, mamaya ulit. Ay bukas na lang ulit. Kasi gusto ko matulog na maaga. Everyone. See you, bye everyone.
On the right-hand side. This station is Finchley Road. Change here for the Metropolitan line. Please mind the gap between the trains.
Good evening everyone. Dito na ako sa bahay. Kain tayo ng hapunan. Dahil mamaya ay tutulog na. Yeah. Time check. The 9:10 in the evening, everyone. Good night. God bless. I love you.